Okay, so if you've spent even a minute trying to manage a low-carb lifestyle, you've probably scrolled past dozens of tracking apps. But according to our source materials, a new app called Ketopia is hiding a pretty fascinating secret right beneath its surface. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're uncovering how this product isn't just pitching itself to people trying to lose weight, it's actually pitching itself to people trying to make money too. We are going to break down exactly how this really unique dual-purpose product actually works. Here is our roadmap for today. First, what exactly is Ketopia? Then we'll dive into the core app features, before pivoting to the PLR business angle. After that, we'll look at pricing and upgrades, do a quick competitor comparison, and wrap it all up with the final verdict. Let's get right into it. Section 1. What is Ketopia? Let's understand the product from the consumer side first. Right off the bat, there's a really compelling $19.99 front-end hook targeting folks who just want to simplify their daily keto routine. You've got that bright yellow Add to Cart button and the dramatic strike-through of the $47 regular price. That is a classic marketing technique, perfectly designed to create a sense of urgency. But here's the kicker. The checkout is powered by a platform called Warrior Plus, which is actually an affiliate marketing network. And that is our very first subtle clue that this isn't your standard run-of-the-mill App Store download. Moving on to Section 2, Core App Features. What are you actually getting inside the dashboard? The primary goal here is consolidation. It's bringing scattered keto tools from your daily macros to your water intake into one unified web dashboard. Think about it. Instead of using one app to log your fasts, another to count your carbs, and then a totally separate website to hunt down dinner recipes, Ketopia tries to centralize the whole shebang. For someone who gets easily overwhelmed by the incredibly strict rules of a ketogenic diet, having recipes, meal plans, and macro trackers all in a single view, that's a huge selling point. But we do need to hit pause for a second. While these features offer incredible convenience, they are purely support tools. There is no magic medical solution for weight loss here. Our source documents strictly emphasize this health caution. Sure, an app can remind you to drink water or tell you how many carbs are in a piece of cheese, but your actual food choices, your sleep, your stress, and your medical background are what ultimately drive results. It's a dashboard, guys, not a doctor. All right, Section 3. The PLR business angle. Let's talk about that entirely separate buyer group. So, here is the plot twist of this explainer. Ketopia isn't just targeting dieters. It has a completely separate, secret identity aimed squarely at digital marketers. While thousands of people might buy this app just to track their meals, a whole different demographic is looking at Ketopia strictly as inventory. To understand the back end of this product, you have to understand PLR, or private label rates. Essentially, a PLR license gives marketers a business in a box in the massive wellness niche. According to our review files, Ketopia offers an upgrade that grants these exact rights. That means a fitness blogger or a digital marketer could buy this upgrade, slap their own branding on the app, and sell it to their audience as if they built it from scratch. It's a fascinating strategy that literally turns consumers into potential competitors. Which brings us to Section 4, Pricing and Upgrades. Let's break down the sales funnel. What we're looking at here is what marketers call an OTO, or one-time offer funnel. It shows how a seemingly simple diet app purchase can instantly escalate into a much larger business investment. Step 1 is the clean, safe starting point, just the actual app access. But immediately after you buy that, boom, you're presented with Step 2, the PLR upgrade to sell the app yourself. And then comes Step 3, a VIP upgrade that our sources note includes advanced trackers, workout plans, and challenges. Now, as an objective investigator, I definitely have to point out some conflicting details we found in the source materials. The sales copy we reviewed boldly claims a one-time $19.99 fee in some places, but then it also lists a $19 a month subscription elsewhere. Actually, scratch that, it gets weirder. The marketing text guarantees a 60-day money-back period, while the reviewer notes explicitly state the supplied source shows a 30-day guarantee. If you're considering buying this, you absolutely must verify the actual checkout terms on the live page before typing in your credit card info. And for those of you eyeing that PLR upgrade and dreaming of easy money, this direct earnings disclaimer is a pretty stark reality check. Digital marketing is tough. Buying the rights to sell an app does not magically generate traffic or guarantee buyers. As the source material bluntly puts it, the average participant might earn absolutely nothing. Building an offer and driving traffic takes serious skill. Okay, Section 5. Competitor comparison. How does this hold up against the big players? Let's clearly contrast Ketopia's unique web-based PLR-optional approach against the deep databases and mature mobile experiences of industry giants like Carb Manager. Ketopia's main appeal is its simplicity and that potential one-time price tag. But there are massive trade-offs here. The big competitors have spent literally years building highly detailed food databases, robust native mobile apps, and absolutely massive user communities. Ketopia, on the other hand, is a web-based dashboard that covers the basics. It is not a deeply mature mobile ecosystem.
We also have to cautiously note a few trust factors that are just missing. Our source review document explicitly flags that the creator of Ketopia isn't clearly named anywhere in the supplied materials. On top of that, because this appears to be a brand newly launched funnel, there just isn't a deep base of independent public reviews yet. You kind of have to rely on the stated features rather than word of mouth from actual users.
Let's bring it all home. Section 6, the final verdict. Who should actually buy this? Breaking it down, we can clearly see which of the two audiences will get real value out of this unique bundle. If you are totally overwhelmed by keto and just want a simple, unified dashboard to track your water and macros, or if you're a wellness content creator looking for a ready-made product to sell to your audience, Ketopia actually fits the bill. But if you're a data nerd who needs an encyclopedic food database, or you want a highly polished mobile app you can just download from the iOS App Store, you should absolutely stick to the established competitors. So I'll leave you with this final thought to help you figure out which side of Ketopia's dual identity you truly belong to. This product perfectly illustrates how the digital wellness space is evolving right now. The tools we use to improve our health are simultaneously being packaged as business opportunities for marketers. It's wild. So are you tracking your habits or are you hunting for a new business? Only you can decide. Thanks for joining me for this explainer. And remember, always, always read the fine print.